I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So today we're going to take us a ride. They do it every year. It's called Blessing the Bikes down at Bald Knob Cross in Alto Pass, Southern Illinois. So we're going to go meet a buddy of mine, actually the guy that painted his bike here a while back, and we're going to meet him. Then we're going to go meet up some other friends, and we're going to ride on down. So I'm going to go get this baby cleaned up real quick and see you down there.
I seen Joe and then Darren stopped away and Lynn and then we're over here, so I was like, fuck.
So yeah, at that very moment, one thing happened. I'll give you one guess. And if you guessed the battery went dead, well, guess what? You are correct. So this big dummy, I grabbed all the cords except for the one for the Insta. I don't know. What are you gonna do? You buy me books, send me to school, and look what you get. So unfortunately, guys, I was unable to get any footage there at the cross. As you can see, we was going up the hill, and when we parked, that's when the battery went dead. But if you notice something on the lens, I believe what that is one of the bikes that was in front of us hit a soda bottle, and it splattered all over the place, which got on me, and apparently it got on the lens as well. So one of the guys that I rode with had a cord, so when we got there, he let me borrow it. I gave it about a 10-minute charge, which wasn't very long. So I got a little bit of footage of the next destination we went to, so let's go ahead and watch that, and watch a little bit from the ride from today. And again, sorry guys. And don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll see you on the next one. And I promise you, it'll be better. Peace. We're down here at the Blueborn. I have a live band later. Got some nice eyes over there watching bikes.
Go stay out of
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness.